there in YouTube land, Brother Ellen Hensley. This is to the people who think that I've had my firearms taken away from me. Well, they weren't taken away. I was having a friend of them hold them while I was in between apartments. So that is a false statement. And for those of you who don't believe that I have firearms, well, let me ask you this. What the fuck do you call this or this? I call them firearms. You don't believe they're real, that they work? Works. Firearm, magazine, goes into the handle. Firearm. Oh! And yet I know what I'm doing with the firearm. Blow your fucking head off with one shot from that bad boy. Now, that and that should prove that I still have my firearms. They were just being stored at a friend's house while I stayed with my little brother while I looked for a new place. So, Mama Van and the rest of you people out there who think I don't have firearms, right there, suck on it. And if you don't like that, I got two fucking words for you. You know what they are? Suck it! And yes, that's a DX throwback, and fuck off.